Like, I don't understand. Why are you guys doing DNA tests? Last time I checked, your gender cheats more. So, what if it was a mistake? What if she does not love him? It's you she loves. What if it was just a one-time thing? Or what if she was just an only woman? Or what other excuses do you guys give when you cheat and sleep with other people too? My own is that women are good people. So stop doing DNA test. Love the child. End of story.
DNA test, they more important than birth certificate. Not let anybody deceive you. Are they sure say this pikin na my pikin? And I know say this pikin na my pikin are two different statements. You know understand? Just because say pikin look like you, not be enough evidence say na you born that pikin. Just because say una resemble, they talk like you, the pikin, his nose be like your nose. That's not enough evidence say na you born that pikin. Resemblance not be by blood. Plenty people this one don't look like me. They are not from my family. This guy fake OBO. He be like Davido. Is he from a Gheghe family? What about this other guy will be like Whiskey? That boy, everything what Whiskey they do now they do. And they sell for TikTok. That boy, so is he from Whiskey family? What of this other guy with they be like Pokoli, fake Poco? That guy, the first time I see him for Calabar and go the same club, he be like Pokoli for real life. Cause I don't see Pokoli, I don't see that guy. Is he from Pokoli family? Resemblance only by blood. Your pikin look like you. It's not enough evidence that you born am. The worst thing wey dey happen now be say wetin men they take from women. If women dey in men's shoes, they not go take am. There are several news everywhere where women they maltreat their stepchild, their stepchildren. You say my stepmother maltreat. People don't stay with their stepmother before they fit tell you this thing, and they tell you where they maltreat them. Then you won't make man go carry on that person pikin, make all they carry the responsibility of that pikin. If he dey aware, you call shoes to, it's acceptable. But say you call lie. Identity, that thing a crime against humanity. Na crime against humanity. Say person wey born pikin different, go carry that person pikin, go give another man make carry the responsibility. Na crime. And then if any man take action for that kind of thing, I'm not go really blame the man. Even the pikin sef, the pikin, you don't even care about the future of that child. Men they tolerate a lot when they not feel they talk about. Men of the children where they their house now, not be una get them o. That pikin where they your house is not yours. It go shock you when you go to DNA. Also when they proud, they say lion not the born goat, now my child. How sure are you? I know and I sure, now two different things. So it go shock you one day. And that time heart attack will come, you can't go. You don't want anybody. Many men for the house they know say that child where they will not be their own. But they don't want to talk. Maybe people not go laugh them from outside. It happen, real life. Men they tolerate a lot. Then when you come out they speak, people go they say it against women. No. Do the right thing and not go talk. If you are a man, anything you do for your child, make sure that child they are aware. At a very small age, make sure say the pikin they are aware. All those way they give your wife money, make go they pay school fees for your pikin. All those things, the pikin they look at and the mama they do and not be you. Today now you see grown up children they get unnecessary hatred for their father. Especially if the father and the mother not there together again. You call the year say that man believe I not do anything for me. Then they quit forget sacrifices. I'm telling you real matter. If you want to pay school fees for your child, make sure say it no say na you dey pay. If you want buy clothes for the pikin, no say no make sure say you know say na you buy the clothes. Recently I go visit my son. When I go, the shirt when we are calling out, I say, who buy you the shirt? He said my mama buy it for me. Sometimes I use my money buy everything. I pay for everything, both feeding, everything. I'm the one paying. But if I just you go with brain, would ask him, who buy this thing for you? He said my mama buy it for me. Now so it be. That child now go grow now. Especially if me and the mother will not end up together tomorrow now. He go tell you say, I not do anything for her, no sacrifice. You contributed nothing. I contributed nothing. No sacrifice. Nothing to write home about. Now woman pikin. Now woman pikin they remember. Now my the carry responsibility will not be. Now woman get pikin. Now my the carry responsibility. When you go know say now woman get pikin, now when una break up. Even if the mother pikin say no be you get am o. Now the woman get everything where the love emotion with that pikin get and the mama get her for. All days now you go tell me say no be you get pikin. Plan for your life. Plan for your life, or not be you get pikin o. Man no dey get pikin, and woman get pikin o. Plan for your old age o. All your children wey dey sacrifice even na earth for. If old age enter now say nothing come out. Many of them they go always side their mother, they go always care for their mother, they go neglect you. Not put your hope on your children and say, you see this life when they live, I'm living for myself alone. I'm not living for any other person. I will try my best in my own capability to take care of my children, but in a place when it reach between you and me, who I go put first, I will put myself first. I go put myself first. My father sacrificed a lot for us. Where he did today now? He did 6 feet down. And I see they live my life. Now so it be. I go put myself first. You know that won't be greed. I know they tell you I'm not going to take care of my children, my family. I will take care of you in my own capability. But if you reach the point of say between you, your wife, your mother, your father, your children, who you go choose? I go choose myself. I'm not one labor for anybody. Everybody get their life to live. Because even people will be say they broke all this so we not get papa and mama, they still survive. Sure? If you are a man, put yourself first. Not pressure yourself unnecessarily from waiting woman they carry come. Many of the children wey they labor yourself over self, they don't belong to you. Now other people children.